A nice tool that we like to use is Houzz. It's a good place to start your project. It gives us a good idea of inspiration photos. It's a great place to go for inspiration photos like Houzz, like Pinterest, to help start that design conversation for your project. It gives us a good launching point to kind of get an idea of the style that you have, what you're expecting your space to look like, and sort of the ins and outs of those different details that you might want your space to be. So it's a great tool, it's a great location, Houzz, Pinterest, to start that design conversation and give you a good footing going into that design process and that remodeling process. As part of that Houzz resource, we have our own Houzz page. So follow us on Cabex Construction on Houzz. You can create an idea book. You can use our inspiration photos from some of our previous projects, which is also another great tool for you to use.